How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of armpit fat step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do forearm touches, just like this. That's 9, that's 10, keep going. It's 20, perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna go like this, and then we're just going to come down just like this. So again, we're gonna do about 20, 30 reps. So again, just like this. Make sure you touch your hands at the top. And this focuses right on here. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna go back to the forearm touches, just like this. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna go back to this one, so just like this. That's 7, keep going. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.